you need to reopen a closed Xbox account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information ready before you begin. Step 1. Visit the Xbox support website. Go to the official Xbox support website. This is where you will find the necessary resources and options to help you with account recovery. Step 2. Sign into your Microsoft account. Attempt to sign in using the email and password associated with your closed Xbox account. If your account is eligible for reopening, you will receive prompts to proceed. Step 3. Follow the account recovery process. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions regarding account reopening. Ensure you understand any potential consequences or requirements that may apply to your account. Step 5. Submit a request for reopening. If your account is not automatically reopened, you may need to submit a request. Fill out the required form with accurate information and submit it for review by Xbox support. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Xbox support regarding your account status. Good luck!